Are you tired of hand-winding coils only to lose count on your turns? Well, I may have a cheap and easy solution for you. I found this digital counter on Amazon and designed a friction fit assembly to attach it to a cordless drill. If you need one of these, just head over to redesign3dp.com. I've been busy working on my website. There are a few items available to ease into this new space. But as time passes, I plan on providing a wide array of pulse motors, kits, PCBs, and some free 3D printer files. The digital version comes with 3 files to print: the digital counter ring, magnet ring, spacer, and an Amazon link for the counter. Use this video build demonstration to follow along with your build. This process is pretty self-explanatory, but I'll chime in from time to time. We want to remove this bracket and straighten it. Please do me a favor, like and share a comment. Subscribe if you're a fan. Ring the notification bell to be alerted when new videos drop. Thanks. This is an M4 by 14 millimeter screw. Just eyeball enough sensor wire to your needs. Test your counter before proceeding. Add 2 zip ties to stabilize your wire. Push the magnet into the magnet ring. The polarity does not matter. You can test it to make sure before you commit. Next, we will adjust the sensor closer to the magnet. And there you have it. No more winding coils the slow, hard way. While it's not a perfect solution, it's an easier one. And now you can get through those coils in record time while keeping turn count. I don't know about you, but I really hate winding coils the most. This coil stand is in the infancy of its design, but it will do for now. Attaching a bobbin is nuanced like everything. But once you get the hang of it, not really a problem. Well, thanks for sticking with me this long. Please like and subscribe. I recommend hitting the notification bell because if not, you may not be alerted if I drop a video. The algorithm hides me sometimes. Thanks for watching.